credit cousins, welcome back to the channel. As I journey on the road to 100K credit cousins, make sure to subscribe. I've got intriguing insights to share about hard inquiries and early exclusions. But before we dive in, if you're passionate about boosting your financial knowledge, hit that subscribe button and join the community. Let's talk about this hard inquiry dilemma a credit cousin had. Our credit cousin says, so I recently had TransUnion remove 30 hard inquiries. And guess what? My credit score didn't budge. Not even by a point. But why? So let's talk about it. They removed 30 hard inquiries and their credit score didn't increase at all. Hard inquiries older than a year don't factor into FICO scores. So removing them doesn't always lead to a score boost. It's a common misconception, and today we're debunking it. Hard inquiries occur when lenders pull your credit report to see if you qualify for a loan or credit card. While they might seem menacing, in reality, their impact on your credit score is minimal. And after a year, they have zero effect. So if you're seeing no movement after an inquiry removal, don't be alarmed. While hard inquiries might seem like a big deal, especially for rebuilders who have hit hard in the past, they don't hold much weight in the grand scheme of things. With the FICO scores, inquiries count for just a year. Vantage, on the other hand, count them as a full 2 years. So that is free game for you guys to remember. If you have a certain credit card that you want to apply for, remember, FICO score is for 1 year. Vantage score is for full 2 years. So this is why a lot of people can get approved for credit cards with multiple inquiries on their credit report, depending on how old those inquiries are. Different game, different rules. I don't make them. I'm just letting you guys know what they are. Ever heard of early exclusion? Well, I did mention about early exclusion a while back on my channel. I keep that link down below in the comment section in the description. But it's a nifty little trick where credit bureaus remove negative trade lines from your report months before they officially are due to be removed. It's not an official FCRA policy, but more of a credit bureau discretion. Want to try early exclusions? Well, here's how you do it. Call the credit bureau with your report ready and politely ask the representative to help delete old trade lines or remove obsolete items. Remember, each bureau has its own time frame. TransUnion might exclude up to 6 months early to remove anything off your credit report. Experian might exclude up to 3 months, and Equifax is 1 to 2 months. Persistent is key. Now, before you guys go calling and before you comment down, it didn't work for me, I'm going to always tell you this because I'm dropping gems that even the representatives that work for these companies don't even know. You know how when you get on the new job, they don't tell you everything. You have to learn through experience or with the callers. So you might need to have to call multiple times to get a yes or to get a I'll look into that, especially with Experian and Equifax. So make sure you do that. So there you have it, the ins and outs of hard inquiries and the magic of early exclusions. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And remember, we're on a road to 100K credit cousins. So hit that subscribe button and help me help you join on this journey. Until next time, keep those credit scores soaring, credit cousins, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.